Oh, lazy. Lazy dog. Are you lazy dog? She's so lazy. Let's go see what Dad's working on. Looks like he's making some changes to that panel. We'll see what he says. I think he's about to lose it on this transition. I think we're all over it. You just sitting watching Dad work? Colt. Yeah. Yeah, do you have any tips now that you're a professional? Whoa,
map it out a lot more than I did. And use thinner metal, I think.
I think so too. I think the metal we use is
18 gauge we used, and it is hard to bend. Also, when you're doing like this front piece right here, I don't know, you gotta like screw it down from the center, then out. I did it from the top down, and I had to cut down the center. I'm gonna weld that. It's not complete yet, but yeah, just there's a lot of bends in it, so it doesn't go great.
yeah. I don't know what people use, but I feel like
I don't
know.
I feel like I still want to like fiberglass over all the seams and Bondo it just because it just screws and silicone. So I don't know.
Yeah, I agree.
We'll see.
Good job. Proud of you. We are kind of taking a break on working on the bus. We're headed out to the tall ships that are in Erie, so I'll take you guys along with us for that. Since I know you guys are all dying to know what tall ships are, it is a group of ships that come to Erie, Pennsylvania annually, and you can board the ships. They date back to the War of like 1812, but I just find it so fascinating that they were able to build these giant ships out of all of this wood. It's just honestly mind-blowing. Okay, now it's time to get back to work on the bus. I am working on taking these letters off. So I did the other side, the majority of the other side, and all I had to use was just a screwdriver. A lot of people said they had to use like a heat gun to get it off, but ours seemed to be coming off fairly easy. So that's what I'm gonna be working on today. That was pretty easy, all done. It's not really sticky. It came off really well. One of these O's was a pain in the butt, and then obviously around the screws was kind of a pain, but I don't know, it really didn't take that long, as you guys saw, like, I don't know, less than half an hour. And all I used again was just this little screwdriver. So I have these reflectants still that need to come off. I haven't tried to get these off yet. Let's try. Let's see what happens. It's kind of like, have you guys ever watched a video of like someone shearing sheep? Like that's what it's like to me. It's like very, I don't know, like therapeutic almost. People said these are super hard to come off too. Let's see. Definitely way more sticky. Oh yeah. Okay, these are a pain in the butt. The letters were nothing. These reflectants, these are extremely sticky. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna continue to do this. The letters were much easier. This stuff is so sticky. I think it's gonna be best if I use a heat gun. I really thought it was gonna be just as easy as the letters, but it's really not. It comes up pretty good, but it leaves a ton of glue residue, and I don't know. I'm gonna have to go back through anyways, so I might as well just do it right the first time. But we're gonna head out and hike 6 miles, so I'll take you guys with us. These moments are so important to me. Gosh, I wish I could just take them in all the time. But right now it's hard because Andrew is working on the build most of the time. There's more I could do. Honestly, sometimes I feel bad because he's really like kicking butt, working out here all the time. And it's just hard. Like if you have a kid and you're doing a bus conversion, it's really challenging. Someone obviously has to hang out with the little one while the other person is working on the bus, and then the person that's working on the bus sometimes needs a hand, so you're kind of like trying to find something for the little one to do while you guys are both busy. And it's definitely been challenging, but in the grand scheme of things, like it's gonna be so worth it. You know, we just keep talking about like what it's gonna look like in a couple years when we're like traveling and look back at this whole process and think like we did that, you know. So, and the good thing is Colton's little. He's only 2. It's hard, but we're working through it. Firing her up. Have we fired it up since the roof race? Well, she's running.
Sounded good.
What's beeping? Oh. I appreciate you guys hanging out with us, watching our videos. Make sure to like and subscribe, comment if you guys have questions, feedback, anything. We'd love to hear it. All right, thanks. Bye.